Good afternoon, my dear students. From today we are going to learn new lesson, that is lesson number 11, measurement of weight. Okay, so in this lesson we are going to learn measuring weights in standard units, conversion of weight, addition of weights, subtraction of weights, and word problems based on weights. Okay, so already we have learned in second standard what is meant by weight. So weight means heaviness of an object. Okay, so what is meant by weight? The weight of an object is the measure of its heaviness. Okay, so now see this, page number 130 of your maths textbook. Some pictures are given here and their weights are also given. Okay, so you will put dash kg to weigh dal, sugar, toothpaste and watermelon together. Okay, so weight of dal, it is 250 gram. Weight of sugar, it is 150. Weight of toothpaste, it is 100 gram. And weight of watermelon, it is 500. So we have to find out togetherly. So 150 plus 250 plus 100, how much it is? 500. And watermelon, it is 500. So total togetherly it is 1000 gram is equals to 1 kilogram. Okay, next you will put dash kg weight to weigh rice and flour together. So weight of rice how much it is? 1 kg, and flour it is 1 kg. Togetherly it is 2 kg, 2 kilogram. You will put dash kg and dash gram weight to weigh namkeen, dal and flour. Namkeen, how much it is? 250 gram. Dal 250. 250 plus 250, 500. And flour it is 1 kg. So 1 kg and 500 gram. Okay. So students, here we have used gram, kilogram. So do you know what is meant by gram, kilogram? So let's learn. Standard unit of weight is gram. What is the standard unit of weight is? Gram. And the bigger unit of weight is kilogram. Means for you want to measure the weight of bigger unit, you should use kilogram. For example, see here, weight of coin, it is in gram. Weight of paper clip, gram. Okay, weight of peanuts, it is in gram. But weight of apple, weight of football, it is a bigger object. So weight of these objects is in kilogram. Okay, so see here students, take the object that is heavier. Okay, so from these two picture, what is heavier? Yes, ball is a heavier. From these two pictures, book and pencil, book is heavier. From these two pictures, balloon and ball, yes, ball is heavier. From horse and rat, horse is heavier. Okay, so now see, take the object that is lighter. Okay, so here grapes and apple is here, and which is the lighter object here? Grapes. Why? Because weighing scale always bends towards the side with a heavier object, and apple is a heavier. So which object is lighter here? Grapes. Okay, from watermelon and onion, which is a lighter object? Onion, obviously. Next, ball and bat, which is the lighter object? Ball. Okay, so students, so let's learn relationship between kilogram and gram. So 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. It is the relation between kilogram and gram. 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 gram. To 500 grams. 500 grams plus 500 gram. Okay, 500 is equals to 1000 is equals to 1000 gram is equals to 1 kilogram. Okay, so we will learn example based on conversion between kilogram to gram. Now we will learn conversion of weight. So conversion of weight means how to convert kilogram to gram or gram to kilogram. Okay, so how to convert kilogram to gram? So as we have learned, 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 gram. 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 gram. So suppose 8 kilogram is given and you have to convert it into gram. So how to convert 8 kilogram into gram? 8 multiplied by 1000. 8 multiplied by 1000 is equals to 8000 gram. Okay. Or 5 kilogram. How to convert 5 kilogram into gram? 5 multiplied by 1000 is equals to 5000 gram. It is conversion kilogram to gram. Okay. Next, now we will learn how to convert gram to kilogram. So suppose 7000 is given, 7000 gram. So how to convert 7000 gram into kilogram? So we have to separate the ones, tens and hundreds digit. Ones, tens and hundred digits from the number. Okay. So 7 kilogram. This number is kilogram and remaining 3 are gram. So here it is 00 gram. Okay. So we will write it is only 7 kilogram. One more example we will take. 7815. It is the number. So how to convert this into kilogram and gram? So last 3 numbers means ones, tens and hundreds digit. Okay. This is the gram and this is the kilogram. So it is 7 kilogram and 815 gram. Understood, students? So now we will solve practice 11.1. One practice set 133 page number. Which unit, gram or kilogram, will you use to weigh the following? So safety pin. So how we will measure the weight of safety pin? It is in gram. Okay. Next, weight of mastic box. It is in gram. Weight of your school bag. It is in kilogram. Fruits, weight of this fruit bucket. It is in kilogram. Okay. So convert into grams. So let's learn how to convert into grams. Practice 11.1. Convert into grams. Okay. Example, it is 8 kg. So how to convert 8 kg into grams? 8 multiplied by 1000. It equal to 8000 grams. Okay. Next, B, 9 kg. How to convert 9 kg? 9 multiplied by 1000 is equals to 9000 gram. Okay. Like this, students, you have to solve C, D and we will solve now. 4 kg 20 gram. Okay. So how to convert 4 kg and 20 gram into gram? So 20 gram, it is already given in gram. So no need to convert it. Just we will convert 4 kilogram into gram. So 4 kilogram means 4 multiplied by 1000. Okay. Plus 20 gram. So is equals to 4000 plus 20 is equals to 4020 gram. Okay. Like this you have to solve G, E, F, G and H sum. Okay, students, 4020. Next, question number 3. Convert into kilograms or kilogram and grams. Okay. So A sum, it is 4000 gram. Okay. So how to convert 4000 gram into kilogram? So just now I said separate the ones, tens and 100 digits from the number. Okay, so we have separated here. So this is our kilogram, 4 kg, and last 3 are grams, so 00 gram. So no need to write it. Next, 12,000 gram. So separate the digit ones, tens and 100. Okay, so is equals to 12 kg. Okay, like this you have to solve. C, D, C we will solve here. 5,145 gram. Okay, so separate the ones, tens and 100 digit. So it is 5 kilogram and 145 gram. Understood, students? Now as a homework you have to solve D to H examples. Okay, thank you.